So here we have a problem. A half plus 3/5. Notice that the denominators 2 and 5 are different. Now to add these two different fractions, I'm going to use the butterfly method. And look at how I do it. The 1 and the 5, and with the 1 and the 5, I write 1 times 5. Right? When I'm finished with that, I'm going to do the 2 and the 3. So I'm going to have 2 times 3. And I'm going to add them. And that will give me my new numerator. My denominator, my new denominator, would be between the 2 and the 5. So I'm going to have 2 times 5. So when I work it out, I'm going to get 5. 1 times 5 is 5. Plus 2 times 3 is 6. All over 2 times 5 is 10. I can work this out a little bit more. 5 plus 6 gives me 11. 11 over 10. Now, when I look at this, I can see that it's an improper fraction because the numerator is much bigger than the denominator. So I can rewrite it as a mixed number by saying how many times can 10 go into 11? It can go into 11 one time, remainder 1 out of 10. So we have 2 and 1/5, take away 1 and a third. Now when I see problems like this, I must say, alright, I can't bother with them mixed number here, so I'm just going to change them in an improper fraction. So to do that, I multiply the denominator by the whole number. The answer I get, I add it to the numerator and then put it back over the denominator. So let's see how that works. So 5 times 2 will give me 10. 10 plus 1 will give me 11. And I'm putting it as 11 over 5. Same thing here. 3 times 1. Then I'm going to add the numerator. 3 times 1 is 3. Plus 1 is 4. So I'm going to have 4 over 3. Then I'm going to put back the sign that I have here. Now the problem looks easier for me to work. So now, to subtract these two fractions, what I can do is to find an equivalent fraction for both of them. And the easiest way to do that is to cross multiply by using the butterfly method. So I'm going to do this, the 11 and the 3. And I'm going to say 3 times 11. And because there's this big subtraction sign, I'm going to put back a big subtraction sign. And then I have 5 and this 4. So I'm going to write 5 times 4. That will give me my numerator. So to get my new denominator, I'm going to have to do 5 and 3. 5 times 3. Good. So 3 times 11 up top will give us 33. Big minus sign, big minus sign. 5 times 4 will give us 20. And that will be in our numerator. Let's bring it down here now. 5 times 3 will give us 15 in our denominator. Now check out this. This is so cool. We said that the 3 times 11 was 33. And we said that the 5 times 3 was 15. So it tells me that 11 over 5 is equivalent to 33 over 15. Isn't that amazing? Now look at this side. 5 times 4 is the 20. And the 5 times 3 is the 15. So that means 4 over 3 is equivalent to 20 over 15. Now when you look at it, this is the interesting part. The denominators are exactly the same. Seeing that they're exactly the same, I can just go ahead and subtract the numerators and get my answer. So this is why the butterfly method actually works. So I have 33 and I'm going ahead and taking away 20 from it. 33 take away 20 will give us 13 over 15. And that's it. Easy as that.